Everybody's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys know anything about me, you know that I'm obsessed with eyebrows and eyelashes. So I wanted to just share a quick couple little hacks for some eyelashes. If you guys want to see these little easy hacks on how to sort of change the look of some cheap eyelashes, then make sure to stay watching. Okay everybody, so these are just some cheap e.l.f. eyelashes. I want to say that these are probably like 99-cent eyelashes. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and take them out of the package. And if you guys ever use this glue, don't use this glue. It is trash. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw that away. Okay, so now here's the lashes. So you can see these are sort of really cheap looking, really plasticky, not the prettiest of lashes. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little hack to make these eyelashes more fluttery, more pretty, more wearable. So all you need for this is a spoolie. So you can use a spoolie on a brush like this. This happens to be an e.l.f. brush, but here is the spoolie end. It's that little brush. Or a lot of the eyebrow pencils now come with the little spoolie on the end. So either or works well. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. All you're gonna do is take the brush and start brushing those hairs sort of sideways, and you're gonna see how that changes the look of these eyelashes. So you're just gonna brush all crazy. There's no particular order or pattern that you wanna brush it. You just wanna fluff them up a little bit and just sort of saw at it. Hack at them and then, you know, comb them up to sort of get them in place. Hack at them again. Comb them up to see what they're looking like. So you can already see it's starting to change the shape of that lash. It's starting to make it more fluttery, more wispy. I'm going to continue to do it. So you can see the difference there. Look at that. 30 seconds and a spoolie and the lashes is absolutely changed. Okay, so the next quick little hack I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make these lashes look a little more realistic, not so fluttery, not so wispy. So these are some cocoa lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. They're really wispy, really fluttery, but sometimes I like my lashes to look a little more stuck together, a little more realistic. So all I'm gonna do is just get a little bit of water. I'm gonna use a spoolie again. This time I'm just gonna get the spoolie wet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and comb the lashes with the spoolie. You can already see that that lash is starting to look a lot different. It's more stuck together. It's not as wispy. So when the lash dries, it will maintain this shape. It'll look more stuck together, more realistic. So if you find that you are wanting to change the lash back to the fluttery, wispier look that it was before you got it wet, make sure that it's dry. Get a dry spoolie, and then you're just gonna go ahead and comb that out again, sort of fluff it out, and it will return back to its natural wispy form. So the lash was never, you know, like you never mess with it. Yeah, that is it. Okay, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed those quick little easy lash hacks. If you guys want to check any more videos out on lashes, then I will make sure to link at the end of this video all my lash videos. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.